Unimet is based in Kaću, near Novog Sada. It is a company with over 230 employees. It deals with the machinery using CNC machines, producing a large number of positions of tin, as well as making and testing different devices. To control the product, in addition to standard equipment, Unimet has also got 2 coordinate measuring machines, a profile projector, hardness measurement devices, and apparatus for determining the thickness of protective coating. Unimet can offer manufacturing for prototypes up to series of 200,000 pieces. Some Unimet products intended to be used in explosive environments have been tested according to ATEX standards, and in 2012 there has been a breakthrough on the airline industry market. About 70% of products are delivered to Brovex AB, a business partner from Sweden,